Get on the ground! Get on the ground now!
Sorry, y'all.
Get on the ground now!
Sorry, bro. Get on the ground! Hey, sorry about that. What happened? Any justice for the food is?
Stop!
Hey. Cool. Can I go?
No, dude, lay on the floor.
Stop! Turn off the car!
Bro.
Turn off the car!
Turn off the car! Turn off the car!
We need to go easy, man.
What the f are you doing? $25 shots fired at Enterprise on University. Get on the ground!
Sorry, y'all. Get on the ground now. Sorry, bro.
Get on the ground!
Hey, sorry, bro.
Stop! Get his shit going this way. Stop! Turn off the car! Turn off the car!
Turn off the car. Turn off the car. No, get on the floor.
$25 officers are code 4. 2 are hit. We're going to be on the south side of Enterprise. And 25, just be advised, the driver's still in the car seat. It looks like he's got a wound to his top. Looks like below his neck maybe. And then my partner has the passenger. Looks like he's prone down on the ground. Plate's going to be 5 Mary Frank Victor 497. It's a Honda Pilot 4-door. Stop! Stop! Put your hands in the air! Stop!
Keep your hands back to the heel, bro.
Stop!
Knock it off.
Stop moving the door!
Bro, chill. Hey, help us out, man. Yeah, shut up. Chill. Hey, driver, chill. I know you're tripping out, bro.
25, I got the driver. That's me uncompliant. Keeps reaching everywhere.
Relax.
We need to get it over here with a shield.
Hey, watch out for the car, bro. Help us out.
Stop!
Chill. Help us.